So I got this trailer here, got all my stuff strapped down, I got a lot of loose strapping, and you've all seen it, you've done it yourselves, you come up with a certain way to kind of figure out how to tie it around, and then you're on the freeway and it comes undone. Starts doing this in the freeway, and sometimes, if you ever had this happen, it's scary, the strap will get caught in the tire, and it'll snap that strap, and it's loud when it happens. So, an easy way to fix this, come here camera guy, take your strap, run a loopy, you know, about as wide as your hand or whatever. Just run a loopy like so, walk the dog like a yo-yo all the way down. Okay, what you're left with is this circle-y dude right here. Now, once you got your circle, what you're gonna wanna do is take that circle and pinch it so it's like this. Go in the center, grab this guy, pull it through. So you're left with that. Then you're gonna do that one more time. What it does is it ties itself like so. It won't come undone, right? And undo it is just as easy. Just grab this dude, pull it through itself. Do that one more time, like that, and you're loose. No knots, no stuff that's gonna get undone. It looks clean, it's fast. Hope that helps you guys.